Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to open Google Chrome in full screen mode without using F11 key. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear. And once it's here, please click on this down arrow key to expand and reveal the list of options. And please locate with this option called Open File Location. The moment you do it, you will be able to bring up this window where you can see your Google Chrome. Okay. By here, please do a right click and go with this paste icon. I mean copy icon. Sorry for that. Once you're done, close the window and paste it here. Okay. Click on paste icon. And the moment you have created a shortcut, which is your Google Chrome, you need to do a right click here and scroll down and go with properties. And under the properties, you need to proceed with the target under the shortcut and proceed to the last area of the target. Put a space, type hyphen key and click on apply and then OK. The moment you have double tap your Google Chrome, you would be able to open it in full screen mode. Okay, there we have that. We have just successfully set it as in full screen mode. So in order to exit, press Windows key and F4 key together. Okay, then go navigate to this one, this Google Chrome icon. Please do a right click. Okay, and then go with close window. In that way, you will be able to close it. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.